Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you an issue for why your trunk's probably not working. I've seen or even got asked what could be the issue for their trunk not opening on the 7th gen Nissan Maxima 2009-2014. And some of y'all think it's probably the trunk latch or it's probably a blown fuse, but you could have accidentally pushed something inside your car for your trunk not to open. I'm gonna show you what exactly I'm talking about. Some of y'all already know, but the ones that has asked me, this is a video. I believe it'll be a lot better showing you what it is than me describing and writing it out as to why it's not opening. I'm not there with you to actually look at your car. So like y'all said, it's probably a fuse or it's the trunk latch. So let me show you. As soon as this car go by, I'm gonna show y'all something. All right, so my key fob is working. So now that there's no cars going by, look, I'm gonna push and hold the trunk release. You're not hearing no clicking sound, so it's not responding. So you will automatically think, hey, my trunk latch is broken, faulty, or it's a blown fuse. It's actually not. Let me set the key right here, and I'm pushing the button here too. You see, you're still not hearing no click. So this is what to look for. So if we go to the passenger side, let's open the door. And then if you go to your glove box, there's a switch right here, and it is switched to off. So you always want to check that first before you think, hey, it's my trunk latch or it's the fuse that's going bad. Now, if I switch this, let me let the car go by. All right, so now the car went by, switching it to on. So let's go back to here. If I push this now, see, it's working. Let's close it. See, it's working again. So whenever your trunk latch isn't responding to the key fob, it's not responding to you pushing that button, always go to your glove box and see if you accidentally probably push the switch to off. So when this is powered off, your key fob and the trunk release button will not work. So hopefully that explains that and you see it visually now that I created a video. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.